Hey everyone, welcome back to the NutriNest. Today we're diving into a powerhouse topic. These little fruits are packed with big benefits, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why they should be a staple in your diet. We're talking about maximizing flavor and packing a nutritional punch, not some wishy-washy bland fruit salad. If you're ready to boost your health naturally, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. First up, the mighty. Don't let their size fool you. These little guys are nutritional powerhouses. They're bursting with antioxidants, especially those anthocyanins, the things that give them that vibrant blue color. And let me tell you, these aren't just for show. Studies have shown that blueberries are like rocket fuel for your brain, keeping your memory sharp and your mind firing on all cylinders. We're not just talking about some quick fix here. Blueberries are in it for the long haul. They're known for supporting heart health, keeping your ticker in top condition, and if that wasn't enough, they're also here to tackle inflammation, kicking it to the curb. Now, I know what you're thinking, Chef. How do I get these bad boys into my diet? It's dead simple. Start your day off right by tossing a handful into your morning oatmeal. Give your smoothie a flavor and antioxidant boost. Hell, even sprinkle them on a fresh salad for a burst of color and flavor. Remember, we're not settling for mediocrity here. We're elevating our dishes and our health with the power of blueberries. Next on our list is the incredible goji berry, also known as the longevity fruit in Chinese medicine. This tiny, vibrant red fruit has been cherished for centuries, and it's easy to see why. And let me tell you, these guys have a reputation for a reason. They've been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries, and for good reason. Their benefits are numerous and well documented. These little red berries are like the fountain of youth, packed with antioxidants and nutrients that'll have you feeling like you can conquer the world. Imagine having a natural source of vitality right at your fingertips. First off, let's talk about your peepers. Goji berries are renowned for supporting eye health, keeping your vision sharp as a hawk's. They contain high levels of zeaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that protects your eyes from harmful blue light and oxidative stress. No more squinting at the screen, folks. Whether you're working late hours or binge watching your favorite shows, goji berries can help maintain your eye health. And if you're feeling run down, lacking energy, goji berries are here to the rescue. They're like a natural energy drink, but without the jitters and crashes. Their unique combination of vitamins, minerals, and amino acids provides a steady release of energy throughout the day. They'll give you that sustained energy to power through your day. Whether you're hitting the gym, tackling a big project, or just trying to keep up with daily life, goji berries can be your secret weapon. But wait, there's more. Goji berries are also packed with vitamins A and C, essential for a strong immune system. These vitamins play a crucial role in maintaining your body's defenses against illness and infection. And let's not forget about fiber, keeping your gut happy and healthy. A healthy digestive system is key to overall well-being, and goji berries can help you achieve that. Now, how do you enjoy these little gems? Easy, there are countless ways to incorporate goji berries into your diet. Snack on a small handful of dried goji berries for a quick and nutritious pick-me-up. They're perfect for when you're on the go and need a healthy snack, or sprinkle them over your yogurt or a smoothie bowl for an added boost of flavor and nutrition. They add a delightful crunch and a burst of sweetness to any dish. Trust me, your body will thank you. Incorporating goji berries into your daily routine can lead to a healthier, more vibrant life. So why not give them a try and experience the benefits for yourself? Chapter 3, strawberries, juicy, delicious, and good for you. Let's be honest, who doesn't love a juicy strawberry? They're like nature's candy, but without the guilt trip. But these little red gems are more than just a sweet treat. They're packed with vitamin C, a nutrient that's essential for a healthy body. First off, let's talk about your skin. Vitamin C is key for that radiant, glowing complexion we all crave. It helps protect your skin from damage, keeping it looking youthful and vibrant. And if you're feeling under the weather, strawberries are here to boost your immune system. Vitamin C is like an army, fighting off those nasty bugs and keeping you healthy. But here's the kicker. Strawberries are also fantastic for collagen production. Collagen is like the scaffolding of your skin, keeping it firm and elastic. So if you want to keep those wrinkles at bay, strawberries are your new best friend. Now let's talk about enjoying these beauties. Slice them up and toss them in your salads for a burst of sweetness and nutrition. Use them as a topping on pancakes or waffles for a classic combination, or keep it simple and enjoy them fresh on their own. You really can't go wrong with strawberries. Chapter 4. Acai berries, the Amazonian superfruit. Now we're heading to the Amazon rainforest for our next superfood berry, acai berries. These small, dark purple berries grow on the acai palm tree, which is native to the floodplains of the Amazon River. The indigenous people of the Amazon have been consuming acai berries for centuries, recognizing their incredible health benefits long before they became a global sensation. These little purple powerhouses have taken the world by storm, and for good reason. Not only are they delicious, but they are also incredibly nutritious. Acai berries are often referred to as a superfood because they are packed with essential nutrients that can benefit your overall health. They're packed with antioxidants, healthy fats, and a flavor that's both tart and slightly chocolatey. The unique combination of these nutrients makes acai berries a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes, from smoothies to desserts. Let's talk about your heart for a second. Heart health is crucial, and acai berries can play a significant role in maintaining it. Acai berries are loaded with anthocyanins, those powerful antioxidants that help protect your heart from damage. These antioxidants work by neutralizing free radicals, which can cause oxidative stress and lead to heart disease. They can help lower bad cholesterol levels and keep your blood pressure in check. Studies have shown that regular consumption of acai berries can reduce LDL cholesterol, which is often referred to as bad cholesterol, and improve overall cardiovascular health. And if you're struggling with digestive issues, acai berries are here to help. Their high fiber content makes them an excellent choice for promoting digestive health. They're a good source of fiber, which is essential for a healthy gut. Fiber helps to keep your digestive system running smoothly by adding bulk to your stool and promoting regular bowel movements. Fiber keeps things moving along smoothly, preventing constipation and promoting regularity. Additionally, a diet high in fiber can help prevent various digestive disorders, such as irritable bowel syndrome and diverticulitis. But that's not all, folks. Acai berries offer a multitude of other health benefits that make them a must-have in your diet. Acai berries are also fantastic for your skin. The antioxidants they contain can help protect your skin from damage caused by environmental factors such as pollution and UV rays. The antioxidants they contain help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals, keeping it looking youthful and radiant. Regular consumption of acai berries can improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Now let's talk about how to enjoy these Amazonian treasures. There are countless ways to incorporate acai berries into your diet, making it easy to reap their health benefits. You've probably seen those trendy acai bowls all over social media, and for good reason. They're delicious and nutritious. Acai bowls are a popular way to enjoy the berries, and they can be customized with a variety of toppings such as granola, fresh fruit and nuts. Simply blend acai powder with bananas and other fruits for a creamy and satisfying breakfast or snack. You can also experiment with different ingredients to create your own unique acai bowl recipes. You can also add acai powder to smoothies for a boost of flavor and antioxidants. Whether you prefer a tropical smoothie with pineapple and mango or a green smoothie with spinach and kale, acai powder can enhance the taste and nutritional value of your drink. Chapter 5. Raspberries Fiber Powerhouse. Last but not least, let's talk about raspberries. These vibrant ruby red berries are a true gift from nature. These delicate berries are not only bursting with flavor, but also packed with fiber, making them a digestive superhero. Imagine a tiny fruit that can do so much for your health. We're talking about keeping your gut happy and healthy, folks. A happy gut means a happy you. Fiber is like a broom for your digestive system, sweeping away waste and keeping things moving along smoothly. It's essential for maintaining a clean and efficient digestive tract. Raspberries are loaded with it, helping to prevent constipation and promote regularity. Just a handful can make a significant difference in your daily fiber intake. Trust me, your gut will thank you. You'll feel lighter, more energetic, and overall healthier. But that's not all, folks. There's more to these little gems than just fiber. Raspberries are also a fantastic source of quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that's been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Antioxidants are crucial for protecting your cells from damage. We're talking about fighting inflammation, boosting your immune system, and keeping those cells healthy. Quercetin helps to neutralize harmful free radicals in your body. And let's not forget about the flavor. Raspberries have a unique taste that can elevate any dish. Raspberries have a delicate sweetness that pairs perfectly with both sweet and savory dishes. Whether you're making a dessert or a salad, they fit right in. They're incredibly versatile, adding a burst of flavor and nutrition to any meal. From breakfast to dinner, raspberries can be a delightful addition. So, how do you incorporate these little gems into your diet? Easy. There are countless ways to enjoy them. Toss a handful into your morning cereal for a fiber boost. It's a simple way to start your day on a healthy note. Mix them into yogurt or oatmeal for a delicious and nutritious breakfast. The combination of creamy and tangy is simply irresistible. Add them to smoothies for a burst of flavor and antioxidants. They blend perfectly with other fruits and give your smoothie a vibrant color. Or keep it simple and enjoy them fresh on their own. Sometimes the best way to appreciate their natural goodness is to eat them just as they are. So go ahead and indulge in these fiber powerhouses. Thanks so much for watching. If you learned something new about superfood berries today, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update from the NutriNest. And in the comments, let me know your favorite way to enjoy berries. Until next time, stay healthy and stay vibrant.